Does Windows 11 sometimes restart your computer after installing updates when you are still working? In this video, I'll show you how to reduce unexpected restarts after Windows updates using the built-in settings in Windows 11. We won't disable Windows Update. Instead, we'll configure Windows 11 so you have more control over when your computer restarts. Let's get started. Open Settings. Click Windows Update on the left, then select Advanced Options. Here you will find several settings that control how Windows handles updates and restarts. First, look for Get Me Up to Date. This option allows Windows to restart as soon as possible, even during active hours, to finish updating. It can also notify you before the restart. If you don't want Windows to prioritize an immediate restart, make sure this option is turned off. Important: this does not disable Windows Update. Windows can still download and install updates normally. We are simply avoiding the setting that allows Windows to restart as soon as possible to finish an update. Next, look for Notify Me when a restart is required to finish updating. If this option is available on your version of Windows 11, turn it on. This helps Windows notify you when a restart is required to complete an update. That way, you can see that a restart is needed instead of being surprised by it. For this setting, I recommend turning it on. Now let's look at active hours. Windows says it won't restart your device during these hours. On my computer, active hours are currently from AM to 9 PM. Click Adjust Active Hours. You will see two options: Automatically and Manually. If you choose Automatically, Windows determines your active hours based on how you use the computer. But if you want more control, select Manually. Now you can choose the start and end times yourself. For example, if you normally use your computer from AM to PM, you can set your active hours around that schedule. This doesn't prevent Windows from restarting forever. It simply tells Windows when it should avoid automatically restarting the computer. So let's quickly review the settings. First, Get Me Up to Date. Keep it off if you don't want Windows to prioritize an immediate restart. Second, Notify Me when a restart is required to finish updating. Turn it on so Windows can notify you when a restart is needed. And finally, configure active hours based on the time you normally use your computer. These settings give you better control over Windows Update restarts without disabling Windows Update itself. And that's it. With these settings configured, Windows 11 should be less likely to interrupt you with an unexpected restart while you're using your computer. Remember, keeping Windows updated is important for security and stability. We're simply changing when Windows can restart, not turning updates off. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Kowa Nguyen Computer for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.